Good morning, dear
Good
students.
morning, sir.
How are you all today?
Fine, sir. How are you?
Yes, I'm also keeping fine. Okay, so dear students, once again, welcome to this economic class.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. So what is the date today?
15th of June,
Very
sir.
good. Let me write over here on the board. Okay, 15th of June. Very good. Yes, subject.
Economics, sir.
Very good. Yeah, must remember. Okay, it's a new subject for you all. Economics. Okay. And what is the topic that we have been discussing so far?
Village Palampur, sir.
Yeah, it is. I mean, yeah, it is about the village Palampur.
Factors of production, sir.
Yeah, that is also we will see in the subtopics. This one.
Fixed capital, sir.
Yeah, topic exactly as you said, village Palampur. But just let me add 1 2 words. Okay.
Yes,
The
sir.
story. Okay. The
Yes,
story of village Palampur. Correct.
yes, sir.
Village Palampur. Very good. And what is the subtopic?
Factors of production.
Yes. Under that we will see the factors of production. Okay. How these factors are used. Okay, in the production process, especially
Yes, sir.
in Palampur. Okay. Factors of production. Yeah, we need to change this one. Okay, this marker.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Ink is over, sir.
Yes, ink is here. Doesn't matter. Should not affect our study. Okay.
Yes,
Very good.
sir.
Okay. So, dear students, today, before I move on to, new things under the same heading, the story of village Palampur. Let me just quickly recapitulate. Okay,
Yes,
what we
sir.
have studied in the last class, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the last class, very specifically, we spoke about the two factors. Okay, mainly. Before that, we have already discussed about the first two factors, land and then
Labor, sir.
labor. Then last class, we discussed about the two remaining factors, right?
Yes, sir.
We discussed about the physical capital and human capital, right?
Yes, sir.
Very particularly. So, based on that, I will ask you some questions. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what do you mean by this physical capital?
Physical capital means like machinery, buildings.
Yes. So, let me put this one in a very systematic way, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, physical capital means all the man-made objects we can say. Okay? That the company invests or buys.
Yes, sir.
For what? For producing the goods and services, right?
Yes, sir.
So, like we have seen that in physical capital, like tools, machines, factories, buildings, right?
Yes, sir.
That comes under the physical capital. Then again, also the money also is there. Okay,
Yes,
raw
sir.
material. Okay, so very specifically speaking about this physical capital, it is further classified into two.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what are those two? Factors under this same factor or this physical capital under this.
Human capital, sir. And
Yeah, that is the fourth one. But when you talk about this physical capital, it is further classified into again two.
fixed and working
Yes,
capital,
fantastic. Fixed capital and
Working
working
capital.
capital. So what do you understand by this fixed capital? Very
Fixed
quickly.
capital means like, sir, which is touchable, which we can touch like machines.
Yes, that is fixed. Okay.
Yes.
The
And
moment you hear about fixed,
yes,
that
sir.
should immediately come to your mind. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That fixed means that is fixed for
Ever.
longer period. Okay.
Yes, sir.
As long as it serve the purpose, we keep it that. Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I gave you many examples. Okay. To produce something, you buy machine. Okay. So once you produce, but the second time if you produce, you don't buy the same machine again.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Because it served the purpose. So it's for longer period of time. So what do you mean by this working capital?
Working capital means like okay, people also sir come under that. Those who work like money also.
Yes, fantastic. Money,
Yeah.
raw material, okay?
Yes,
That
sir.
is used in daily basis, okay?
Yes,
One
sir.
after the another, we require those things, okay?
Yes,
So
sir.
that is known as what?
Working
Working
capital.
capital. Very fantastic. Now let me ask you something about the human capital. What do you mean by this?
Human capital is knowledgeable person, sir.
Yes, the knowledge, the enterprise,
Yes.
isn't it? That we require to run the company, isn't it?
Yes,
They
sir.
take risks, right? They
Yes,
manage
sir.
whole thing, operate whole thing, and take the production process further, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So, dear students, after having understood these four factors of production, land, labor, physical capital, human capital, today let us talk about again the farming system in Palampur. Okay, how the farming is taking place in Palampur. Okay,
Yes, sir.
then we'll very specifically we'll talk about the land. Okay,
Yes,
as a
sir.
fixed resource. Okay, land as a fixed resource, right?
Yes,
Then
sir.
also we'll talk about the kind of crops, okay, grown in Palampur, okay, all throughout the year. So
Yes,
based on
sir.
that, I will discuss something with you all, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So with the help of slide, I will try to show you. Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
please, could you help me out?
Yes, sir.
This slide so that okay. Meanwhile, I put this one down so that you can have a better view of the slide.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I make it bigger?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, you can keep it chairs
Oh,
for now,
okay,
sir.
fantastic. Very good, very good. Okay. Okay, so students, can you see all?
Yes,
the
sir.
screen? Okay. So, today we'll talk about this one, okay?
Yes,
Farming
sir.
in Palampur. Okay?
Yes,
so,
sir.
So, I mean the keywords only, the key sentences, the catching sentences I have put for you all, okay?
Yes, sir.
Just make you understand. Main production activities. Farming is the main production activity in Palampur.
Palampur, sir.
Okay. So here the second bullet, what does it say? 75% of the people who are working are dependent on farming for their livelihood.
Livelihood.
How many percentage of people?
75, sir.
Okay, 75 people are what?
Dependent
on
farming,
farming for their
sir. Livelihood.
for their daily survival. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then further what it says, they could be farmers or farm laborers. Okay, depends.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So some are farmers, some are farm laborers. That means working in the farm.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
very good. Then another slide, what does it say? The well-being of these people is closely related to production on the farms. Okay,
Yes,
well-being,
sir.
their livelihood, their survival of these people is closely related to production on the farms. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If the production is too much in the farms, okay, their lifestyle will automatically will go.
Hi, sir.
Okay, fantastic. Till then, till here, the first slide understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us move on to the second slide. Okay. So dear students, this is very interesting. See, line is fixed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So line is fixed. There is no expansion. Okay.
Yes,
You
sir.
cannot extend land. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
limitation of land as resources. This one will make you clear again.
Yes,
Second
sir.
bullet. Constraint in raising farm production because land area under cultivation is particularly fixed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We cannot have the expansion of land. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It is fixed. Land is fixed.
Yes, sir.
Population is growing every day by day. So that way they are occupying lands. And now it is almost like shrinking, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
We cannot have the expansion of land. See, since 1960 in Palampur, there has been no expansion in land area under cultivation. Since 1960. When? 1960.
60.
Very good. Then By then, some of the wastelands in the village had been converted to cultivable land.
Yes.
Okay. So, the land which was used for the production, okay?
Yes, sir.
Then, when everything was occupied and there was no expansion of land, so in that case, what did they do? The wastelands that was not being used, okay?
Yes,
For the production, for the cultivation. So, what the villagers do? They did what? Converted this.
Cultivate.
Yes, that land they converted to where? Cultivable land. What do you mean by cultivable?
It was Byron, but now they can
Yes,
produce.
fantastic, very good. It was Byron before, but now they are using this land for cultivation for
Yes,
production. Very good. Then there is no further scope to increase farm production. Okay, because of the land is fixed resource. Okay, no
Yes,
expansion. Correct. Okay. Let us see the next slide.
Yes, sir.
See here, land resource. Okay, in the factors of production, first thing we have seen in the lands. Okay, when I was talking to you about the 4 factors of production, so very specifically I spoke about land as the first factor of production, right?
Yes, sir.
So afterwards, see in that I have mentioned to you about how this land is important and all, isn't it?
Yes,
First
sir.
pillar of production. Then you need land because you cannot have cultivation in the air. As simple as that.
Yes,
Isn't it?
sir.
Without land, you cannot have the cultivation, isn't it?
Yes,
Cultivate
sir.
something, you require land, resource, right? Okay, the land is the main pillar of production, but this resource is limited. Land is fixed. Okay? This resource is limited. It is
Yes,
fixed.
sir.
Okay, very good. It is not that you will recite mantra and there will be multiplication of line, expansion of line. It is not like that. That you recite some mantras and you will have multiplication of land and all.
Yes,
It will not be
sir.
that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's not that. A land is fixed, but farming is the main production activity in Palampur. Okay. Does it
Yes,
make any
sir.
sense? Okay, land is fixed, but farming is the main production activity in Palampur. Okay, land is fixed, but that is the main activity.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, let us see the next slide. Okay, if it is time, you please tell me. Okay.
Yes,
Because
sir.
sometime while teaching, I just get engrossed. Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
if it is time, you tell me, and I'll stop from there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Example you see here. Students, anyone, can you read here?
Building many floor one after the another. It is not with the cultivation one crop after another at the same time.
Yes. I'll make you this one. I'll simplify this one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Building of many floors. Okay. Suppose
Yes,
you
sir.
construct one building. Then on that again you suppose you construct ground floor. Then you upon that what do? You make first floor. On that what do you make second floor, right?
Yes, sir.
But it is not with the land, okay? Once you cultivate, at the same time you can cultivate the next crop,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So it is not like that. So land is limited in that. So is there a way one can grow more from the same land? So this is the point for us to reflect. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Is there a way? No, just like a question mark for all of us. Okay? Is there a
Yes,
way
sir.
one can grow more from the same land? See? Then all land is cultivated in Palampur. No land is left idle. Okay? Idle. Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
See here. Now let us talk about the cropping period. The previous, what did we see in the previous one? Land as a fixed resource,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Now cropping period. Okay, this cropping period. See, whole throughout the year, how the cultivation process is carried out. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that is cropping period in Palampur. Okay, whole throughout the year. Okay, one after the another. See here. Can you read, Paul?
Yes,
The
sir.
first bullet.
During the rainy season, Kharif farmers grow to that, sir? Jowar.
Jowar
Jowar and Bajra.
Bajra, yes.
These plants are used as cattle feed.
Yes. So in rainy season, okay.
Yes,
This is
sir.
about the kind of crops they grow in Palampur. Okay.
Yes,
So in
sir.
rainy season, what they cultivate? That is known as a kharif. Okay, rainy season. So farmers grow jowar and bajra, and these plants are used as cattle feed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then it is followed by cultivation of potato between October and December.
December.
Okay. Then in the winter season, here we saw in the rainy season. Here now in the winter season, that is known as Rabi. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in winter season, what they cultivate? Fields are sown with wheat. In rainy season, winter season, what do they cultivate? Wheat.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the last bullet. From the wheat produced, farmers keep enough wheat for the family's consumption. Okay, and
Yes,
save the
sir.
surplus wheat at the market at Raiganj. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So they produce wheat in winter season. Then as much as they require for their consumption, they keep. Okay. Then extra or surplus, they take it to the market. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Where? The Raiganj. Okay, very good. Now let us see the next slide. Okay, maybe this is the end of the slide. Okay. So
Yes,
as a
sir.
part of the land, area is also devoted to sugarcane, which is harvested once every year. Okay, sugarcane in its raw form or as jaggery is sold to traders in Sakpur. So small scale industries is there for gur. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So see in rainy season we saw, correct? Kharif, that is known as kharif.
Yes,
So
sir.
jowar and bajra. Then potato, October, November. Okay, they cultivate potato. Afterwards, in winter season, wheat, right?
Yes, sir.
Then now, as a part of land, okay, this takes almost 1 year. This sugarcane, okay. So
Yes,
one
sir.
plot of land may be dedicated for sugarcane, okay. So out of sugarcane, what do they make? Jaggery. Gur,
Jaggery, yes,
and
sir.
that way they sell to where? Sakpur, okay.
Sakpur.
So in that case, we can say that they have also small scale industries, isn't it? Because
Yes, sir.
they are making jaggery out of sugarcane, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the way how the kind of crops they cultivate in Palampur. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first we saw land as a fixed resource. So in the fixed resource, you see how much they cultivate one after the another, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So hope you understood
Yes,
so
sir.
far what we discussed. Okay. Do you have any question to ask?
No, sir.
Okay. So conclusion, dear students. Yes, see. This is the last slide. Yes, please pay attention. So in the Palampur, land is fully engaged all throughout the year, 12 months, right?
Yes,
One after
sir.
the other, rainy, then winter, like that, okay? And cultivation, one after the another, okay? First kharif, rabi, winter crops, sugarcane. So sequentially, every crop in every season is cultivated. So even the small plot of land is not simply left out,
Yes, sir.
fully cultivated. I mean, fully the land is made use of. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So dear students, in the next class we'll discuss about land is limited. Can we have more production? And if we have more production from the same land, from the limited land, then will the land sustain?
No, sir.
Will the land? So this will talk in the next class.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for your home assignment maybe. Okay. So before that, okay, I'll ask you a few questions. Right?
Yes, sir.
I will ask you a few questions just to know whether you grasp the lesson of today that I dealt with you. Understood or not? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The first question: how many percent of people in Palampur are dependent on farming for their livelihood?
75%,
Fantastic. Very good.
sir.
Very good. Yeah. You all can clap for him. Okay. Very good. Okay. The second question is: what do you mean by cultivable land?
To make it produce more, sir.
Yes, cultivable land means it means
It fertile land.
yes, The land which is capable of being cultivated.
Yes,
Correct?
sir.
Okay. Now, the third question is, what are the kinds of crops grown in the rainy season in Palampur?
Sir, crops.
Jowar and
Bajra.
Bajra. Fantastic. Then what are the kinds of crops grown in the winter season in Palampur?
Potato.
Yes, potato. Then followed by wheat. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. So here the home assignment. Yes, anyone can read for the whole class.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Paul, you can.
Explain land as a fixed resource.
Yes.
Explain the kind of crops grown in Palampur village.
Okay. Hope this home assignment is clear to you all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So dear students, thank you so much for being so patient and listening to me attentively. Okay. Keep
Yes,
it up.
sir.
Keep it up. Okay. So once again, thank you and have a good day.
Thank you, sir.